In this video, I'll walk you through how to change your League of Legends language to Korean step by step. The process is actually very simple, and you don't need to mess with any game files or complicated settings anymore. First, go ahead and open up League of Legends like you normally would. When the Riot client launches, don't log into your account just yet. Instead, look toward the top of the client window and click on the settings icon. From there, select League of Legends in the settings menu. Once you're inside, you'll see an option labeled Game Text Language. Click on that option and a list of available languages will appear. Scroll down until you find Korean. Once you see it, select it and then click Done to confirm your choice. After that, you can go ahead and log into your account as usual. The client will begin downloading a small update. This is required to install the Korean language pack. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a minute or two, so just let it finish. Once the update is complete, you'll need to log out of the client and restart it. After reopening League of Legends, the game should now be fully set to Korean, including menus, text, and in-game elements. And that's all there is to it, quick and easy. If this guide helped you out, feel free to drop a like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.